Curious about the 2024 Nissan Murano's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard features a sleek, driver-focused design with an 8-inch touchscreen, soft-touch materials, and ambient lighting. It includes intuitive controls, a digital driver display, and available wood or metallic trim accents. The Murano features an 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan Connect. It offers a user-friendly interface, available navigation, and a premium Bose audio system on higher trims. The cluster features a 7-inch advanced drive assist digital display, providing real-time vehicle information such as navigation, safety alerts, fuel economy, and driver assistance features. It offers a customizable layout for a personalized driving experience. The climate control system features dual-zone automatic temperature settings, allowing the driver and front passenger to set individual comfort levels. It includes rear air vents and available heated and ventilated front seats for added convenience. The gear shifter features a traditional automatic transmission design with a leather-wrapped option on higher trims. It provides smooth shifting and an intuitive layout for easy operation. The steering wheel features a tilt and telescoping design with mounted controls for audio, cruise, and hands-free functions. Higher trims offer a leather-wrapped, heated steering wheel for added comfort and luxury. The 2024 Nissan Murano has a 3.5-liter V6 engine with 260 horsepower and 240 pound-feet of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission for smooth acceleration. This setup ensures a balanced mix of power, efficiency, and a refined driving experience. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. 12-volt battery warning light, brake warning light, electric shift control warning light, master warning light, seatbelt warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, security warning light, supplemental airbag warning light, slip indicator light, anti-lock braking system, brake system warning light, electric vehicle system warning light, electronic parking brake indicator light, low tire pressure warning light, turn signal and hazard, warning indicators, exterior light indicator light, high beam indicator, high beam assist indicator light, front passenger airbag status light, plug-in indicator light, front fog light indicator light, power limitation indicator light, power steering warning light, rear automatic braking warning light, vehicle dynamic control off indicator light, approaching vehicle sound for pedestrians, off system warning light, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection system warning light, ready to drive indicator light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.